Sometimes life gives you nothing, no sport, no money, no opportunities, no powerful connections, just pain, pressure, and silent battles nobody understands. And most people, they break in those moments. They complain, they blame the world, they blame their family, they blame luck, but a different kind of person is born in struggle. A dangerous person, a person who decides no excuses, only success. Listen carefully. Your beginning does not decide your future. Read that again in your mind. Your beginning does not decide your future. You can come from poverty and still build greatness. You can come from failure and still create success. You can you can feel weak today and become powerful tomorrow, because power is not given, it is built every single day through discipline, through sacrifice, through pain. The strongest people are not born strong, they become strong because life gave them no other option. Maybe right now you feel lost. Maybe people underestimate you. Maybe nobody believes in your dreams. Good. Use that pain, use every insult, every rejection, every failure. Turn it into fuel. Because sometimes the people who are doubted the most become unstoppable later, but fast. You must stop feeling sorry for yourself. Nobody is coming to save you, not your friends, not society, not luck. Your future depends on what you two do today. And that truth is painful, but it is also powerful, because when you accept responsibility, you take control. Control changes everything. The moment you stop making excuses, your life begins to change. Excuses destroy dreams. I am not tired. I will start tomorrow. I don't have enough time. I am not talented. Stop. Every successful person had problems. Every champion faced pain. The difference is simple. They kept moving while others complained. They worked while others slept. They improved while others quit. They continued. That is why they became powerful. Success is not magic. Success is consistency. Doing the work when you do not feel motivated, training when your body feels tired, staying focused when distractions surround you. That is real strength. And understand something important. Nobody sees the hidden sacrifices. People only see the final success. They see the money, the confidence, the results, but they do not see the lonely nights, the failures, the stress, the self doubt. Success has a price, and most people are too comfortable to pay it. Comfort is dangerous. Comfort creates average lives. If you want greatness, you must become comfortable with discomfort. Wake up early, push yourself harder, learn skills, stay disciplined, especially when you do not feel like it, because discipline is what separates winners from dreamers. Dreamers talk, winners execute. right now. Somebody with less talent than you is succeeding. Why? Because they are more disciplined. Talent means nothing without action. You can have the biggest dream in the world, but if you stay lazy, nothing changes. Action creates result. Small daily actions create powerful lives. One workout, one book, one lesson, one improvement at a time. That is how powerful people are created, not overnight. Step by step, pain by pain, battle by battle, and ice. There will be moments when you want to quit, moments when life feels unfair, moments when you feel exhausted mentally. But listen carefully. Those moments decide your future. Weak people quit during hard times. Strong people grow during hard times. Every struggle is training. Every difficult day is making you stronger. Pressure creates diamonds. Remember that if life is testing you right now, it means you are being prepared for something greater. Do not run from challenges, face them. You were not born to live a small life. There is greatness inside you, but greatness requires sacrifice. You cannot become powerful while staying comfortable. You cannot change your future while repeating bad habits. Look at your habits carefully. Your habits are building your destiny. If you waste hours every day scrolling endlessly, you are destroying your future slowly. If you spend every day learning, improving, and working hard, you are building power. Every decision matters. The scary thing about life is this: years pass quickly. One day you wake up and realize time is gone. That is why you must act now. Not next year, not next month, no. Because the future belongs to people who move early. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Perfect conditions do not exist. Start scared, start tired, start alone if necessary. Just start. Movement creates momentum and momentum changes lives. You must also protect your mindset. Negative people destroy dreams. Some people will laugh at your goals because they gave up on their own. Do not listen to them. Small minded people fear ambitious people. Stay focused. Your mission is bigger than their opinions. Sometimes success requires isolation. Sometimes you must disappear and work silently. No attention, no showing off, just work. Build yourself quickly, and one day your results will make noise for you. Never forget this: confidence is earned. You build confidence by keeping promises to yourself. Every time you wake up early, confidence grows. Every time you stay disciplined, confidence grows. Every time you refuse to quit, you become stronger mentally. That is real power. Not money, not fame, mental strength, because a strong mind can survive anything. Life will always you, test you. There will always be obstacles, more pressures, more pains. But if your mindset become powerful, nothing can destroy you. And maybe nobody told you this sacrifice. For this before, you do not need to be perfect. You just keep going. Slow progress is still progress. A small step forward is better than standing still. Too many people quit because results take time, but success is a long game. The people who win are the people who stay consistent. even when nobody claps for them, even when nobody notices, even when it feels impossible. Consistency creates champions, and one day everything changes. One day the hard work starts paying off. One day the pain becomes strength. One day the person who felt invisible becomes unstoppable, but only if they refuse to quit. Some promise yourself today no more excuses, no more wasting time, no more doubting yourself, no more waiting for motivation. This is your life, your responsibility, your future, your battle. Fight for it. Fight through the pain, fight through the fear, fight through the difficult days. Because your current situation is not your final destination. You can rise from nothing, you can become powerful, but you must decide right now. Will you continue making excuses, or will you become the person you were meant to be? The choice is yours, and remember this: until the day you succeed, the world belongs to people who refuse to quit. No excuses, only success.